Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share, and look, I have decided to pick up this gift bag. Isn't this so cute? I love Santa on the sleigh with the reindeers. I even like all the sparkles they put down here in the snow. So one side is glittered like on the house, and then Santa's, the white puffy stuff. And then on the other side, it looks like this is just a shiny uh, surface. And then here's the sides and the bottom. I like this bag. I love the portrait on here. So cute. I picked up only one. I wish they had like a really large bag, but they didn't. And then I found the one candy cane. It's kind of falling apart, but that's okay. So I picked it up. I wish they had more, so I'll be on the watch out to see if I can find some more at a different store. I like the size of this candy cane, so my plan is to take this apart. So I'll have two candy canes. See? So once I separate it, it's going to be about 8 inches. So an 8-inch candy cane. Isn't that neat? I like it. So I have this one. And then I found this ornament. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, I see it every year, but I did not pick it up. But look, it's just cardboard and it's glittered. Look at that. And then they put a cute bouquet on there. I want to copy it, but I want to use like a different arrangement on here. And I needed a cute outline. And I love the way this Christmas tree is shaped. So I picked that up. If you're interested, they also have a snowflake available. So you can pick that up when you go to Dollar Tree. I also picked these up. These are pearl halfbacks, and it comes in the color like an olive green color. And you get 260 of them. I did not think I had this one in my supply box, so I went ahead and picked up one sheet. Now, I only found it in two colors. I found it in this olive green color, and the other one was like this color, like my sleeve. So I like the green one, so I picked it up. It kind of goes with my Christmas theme. And then I found these pins. I wanted some more pins. I needed another blue one, so I was restocking. Well, that was my plan. But then I found all these shades, and I'm like, I'm going to get them all. So this brand is ink, and it's the Optimus collection. I wanted the blue one, but you know what? I found all these. So I went ahead and just grabbed them all up. Some of them only have 2 pins, and then you got some that have the 3 pins, and they're all different shades. Like this one, you get the pale pink and like a pale blue, like a light blue color. See? And then you get this one. This one has 3 pins, and they're the teal shades. And then there's this one. I love using these lime green and the orange one too. And then here's another teal and a blue. So this teal shade here, it's all part of this shade. But see how the colors, they, like a shade difference. And if you put the little dots together down here, you would think this pin here goes with this one, but it doesn't. It goes with this one here on the outside, see? But if you look at it, I don't know, for some reason, this one is just a tad bit darker than this one. But I don't know. It could just be the light, It could be the same shade. I don't know. So I got that one. And then look at this one. They have pink shades. You go from the pink all the way to like a rose color. Isn't that neat? And then the same thing with this one. So if you buy everything together, you'll get 4 shades of pinks. I like it. And then put the dots together down here. You see there? So this was a nice find. I'm quite happy. You see why I love shopping at Dollar Tree. And then I found these two. So this one is the Color Flow collection. And I only found 3 packages in this one. I do use a lot of the black ones, so I'm happy with it. And all the inks that I've showed you so far are all fine inks, or the fine points. So this one, you get like a pink, orange, and violet. And these are all black inks here. And then this one, you get the red, green, and the blue shades. Isn't that neat? I think I've seen blue shades before, so I'll have to check my supply box, see if I have the blue one. But I'm quite happy we get 3 black inks because, you know, I use a lot of black inks too, so this will work out. And I like these pins simply because they're all fine points. I love my fine point pins. And then look, I found a fabric. Now, my store is remodeling for the bonus section. So I have one store that is completely remodeled. The one just finished, so I guess I have 2. And then my third store in my closest to my home, they just started, so that store is still closed. But look, this is the other one I found. They must have brought everything out from the back when they did the remodel. See, look at this. Isn't this pretty? I did not even know that Dollar Tree had this fabric. It's the bees. So cute. Such pretty bumblebees. I love it. And you even get the high prints in there. So look at that. And then the wings. Look at this. Let me get you closer. Do you see the wings? The wings are, it's a floral print. Just adorable. I wish I could have found another one. I will have to wait for the summer season to see if they bring this color back. You know, this fabric here. It'll be awesome if they do. The last items I picked up from Dollar Tree are these. They're clear containers. I like storing like my tea bags in here because I don't know, I love the way they have the handle on here, so it's got a nice grip. And I like putting loose beads in here too. You know, once in a while I like to make my own mixed beads. You know, just take it off the string, as you know, and just dump everything in here. See, it doesn't have a size. Maybe like a pint size perhaps. And then the lid comes in different colors, so if you're wanting something else besides white, they do have it. But I like that white one. It coordinates with everything. It blends in with everything. I really only need one for my craft room, and then the rest is going to go in my pantry. And then since I'm doing a dollar haul, let me show you this. So I went to Dollar Tree, I went to Family Dollar, and Dollar General. You know, I hit all the dollar stores. So from Dollar General, I found this. It says Happy Holidays. I love that barn image. So cute. And of course we got the red truck. I love the red trucks. So cute. And it's got the little tree in the back. So these were $1 and you get 16 counts 2-ply napkins. And then I found it in the cocktail size, look. And then it's just the truck with the trees. This one says, Snow Place Like Home. Again, you get 16 counts, 2-ply, and they were $1. It says Holiday Woods. That's the theme of the napkins. Look at that. Cute. I don't remember if they have like the long dinner napkins, but these are the two that I wanted, so I picked that up. And then I picked up some notebooks. I love the size. It's just the perfect size for me. These are 8x5s. Now I like, let me see if I have my little notepad somewhere. Here we go. Look, I like these. I like to have this on my side table, you know, just to take quick notes. But if I want to take notes and, you know, keep it for longer lengths, I love the size. You know, it's not wasted space. That's the way I look at it. And I found it in red. So, you know, fantastic for the holiday season, right? And I can only find this at Dollar General in the college rule. Now, occasionally I will find the same size 8x5 at Family Dollar, but it usually has a print on there. And I think you only get like 50 pages in there or something like that. But, you know, if you're on the watch out for this 8x5 college root notepads, Dollar General is a place to go. Well, I hope that you find everything you're looking for on your wish list. You know, everything that you've been thinking to pick up, or maybe not pick up, but you know, now that you saw what I found, maybe you'll want to pick it up. This is everything that I picked up this time. It was a good shopping trip this time. Quite happy with my collection. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.